thing. So how do I zoom in? I don't know how to zoom in.
I think the up or down on the little silver.
Oh, there it is.
It's hard to zoom though.
Yeah, here you are.
Okay, here lumberjack Jack Curl up here. He's going to work on this ditch here, his challenge. And got some big water coming down. And let's see what's happening up here. This is going to be tough. There's a lot of roots here. A lot of big rocks. Lots of cavities under the creek where water can fall into. It looks like a big root presenting itself right now. Very nice. There's Carl working on the garage here from outside the window, and Matt just about getting the south side on the roof sheathed here. It's at an angle that's just about where you slip, so it makes it a bit tricky, but they have a nice safety board down here so they don't fall off the end if they start sliding.
That's our T111. Here we have another glorious day in Juneau. And our roof is up. The truss is in yesterday. Today, doing some drying. God, those lines look good. That's actually a truss picture right there. That should be shown into Truss magazine. So here we are on a rainy Sunday afternoon, evening. I think it must be around 8 o'clock. We've got, lots of rain. And kind of a garage slash house right here. So as you can see, we might end up with some drainage issues. We've got a river over here.
We may have achieved river here.
Yeah.
Okay, we are doing
what we wanted.
We got some flow going here. A little dark. Definitely had a good flow started here.
Jack Carl does it again.
Jack Crow conquered the rainforest.
Got that river.
Nice.